first.
Green apple.
Yeah, just an apple. It don't matter. It just happens we had an extra green apple. 2 pieces of lemon in there.
2 pieces of lemon.
Yeah, a quartered lemon.
Okay.
Now we can just stuff it in the edge. Rosemary and green onion.
Together. The green
Yeah.
onion leaves.
Yeah, it could be onion, whatever we wanted. They wanted green onion. Then
Another.
2 more lemon on this side.
Okay. How about
Yeah.
apple?
Finish
Apple
it
again.
off with 2 pieces of apple. Alright,
Alright.
alright. Ta-da, done. And put importantly back side.
The water. $3.25
Yeah.
for 3 to 4 hours. Yeah.
Yeah, has to get 165 internal temperature. Herbs.
Butter and herbs, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Herbs.
Herbs and butter. Just the Italian parsley is added. Pretty in. There we go. Hey, babe.
Oh my god. Ooh, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.